Okay, my name is Muhammad Afiq Irfan. I am from DLS1A. My matrix number is 23 DLS20F1044. Accounting process. Accounting is the process of recording, classifying, summarizing, reporting, analyzing, and interpreting business activities. There are two user accounting information, which is internal user and external user. Internal user is management of a business organization who use the accounting information for internal decision making. Okay, example for internal user is middle level or top level management, human resources department, marketing department, also strategic planning department. For external user is a parties of outside the business organization who use the accounting information for their specific needs. Example for external user is potential shareholder, creditor, analyst, and public at large. There are X step in accounting process, which is source of document, book of prime, ledgers, trial balance, adjustment trial balance, financial statement, and also financial report.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashwin Sudesh Kumar. I am from DLS1A and my matric number is 23 DLS20F1064. Today I am going to explain about the source documents used in the business activities. Normally, 9 document activities were used by every business activities, but I would like to explain mainly the two documents only, which is deliver order and official receipt. Let's go. Based on deliver order, it issued by the supplier to the customer. Okay. When when the supplier send the stock or any product that the customer order, it's a be evidence that the supplier already sent or given the product to the customer. Usually the delivery order contain like date, details of the item they were delivered, amount of item in quantity, address delivery, and also date of delivery, and the main and the one of the main point, and which is the name of the person in charge. That means the person or the person who sent the product or any goods to the customer. Okay, let's go to watch a example. This is the example of deliver order. Normally the deliver order the given by the supplier to the customer when the customer receive the original on, and the duplicate is the already kept by the supplier. Now I'm going to explain the official receipt. It's normally used by the supplier as an acknowledgement of the payment received from the customer and is used in cash transaction. It's mostly issued by the supplier to the customer. It's also an evidence for any transaction is happened lah. And normally it contains the dates, item description, and the total value of the cash they were received, and the receipt of the payment in cash or check. This is the one of the example of the official receipt. Normally it contains the number of check and from who we received the money, and the main thing is the one of date, and another main is the particular of the means the what they buy or what the things they buy lah, and the main is the amount. All the things were written in the official receipt. That's all.
There are three type of function of journal, that is general journal, special journal, and cashbook. Okay, first cashbook. Cashbook is used to record all cashbook transaction of a business. Uh, the point is debit on the left side and credit on the right side. There are two type of cashbook that we can identify, which is cash in hand and cash in bank. That's mean check. Okay, next, general journal. General journal is also known as a general daybook. It is used to record entries for business activities other than the above discusses books of prime. Book of prime entries such as opening entries, closing entries, adjusting entries, and correction of
Alright,
error.
next, special journal. Special journal, also known as a specialized journal, is useful in manual accounting or bookkeeping system to reduce the tedious task of recording both the debit and credit general ledger, account names and amounts in a general journal. The example of the special journal is purchase journal, sales return journal, and also purchase return journal. Next, I'm gonna talk about purchase journal. Purchase journal, known as a purchase daybook. They used to record all purchase and credit purchase in some company. The example, invoice. Next, sales journal. Sales journal, known as the sales daybook. They used to record credit sales of business inventory only. For example, when you get a profit from the um, some business, uh, then you record in the sales journal. This example for the purchase journal or purchase daybook. It is sales journal or sales daybook.